let's look at the second way to visualize in NVivo, which is to use regular charts. Now, when you are conducting your study or you are doing the interviews, you will normally collect some form of demographic data such as the gender, age, and maybe the level of education of your participants and other important details that are relevant to your given study. In my previous video, which I will link, I showed you how to import demographic data in NVivo and how you can rely or you can utilize the data in your study. Now, in this example, I have already imported the data, which normally is in my case classifications. So this is the data I'm talking about. I have age, gender, and school that each of my participants attend. So we can draw some regular charts using this data. For example, we want to see age of my participants. So we go to one of my participants and we right click and we click on visualize, then chart cases by attribute value, we click OK. Now you can see here I have an assigned, not applicable, then I have 5 of the participants were 13 and 1 was 14. This unassigned means there is a participant that did not provide their details related to age. So what we do is we right click on the chart, we go to select data, then on the X attribute we go to attribute values and we say all attributes except unassigned and not applicable, and then we click OK. So we get a better table. From here we can see evidently 5 of the participants were 13 years while only 1 was 14. But we can also do some edits on the y-axis and on the x-axis. So let's go to edit labels, and instead of name, age, and all these details, we can rename this. We delete here age of participants. Then instead of number of matching cases, we can call this number of participants. Ctrl+Shift+E. Then we can export this chart as age of participants, and if we look at our folder here, we can check this. This is the chart with age of participants and number on the y-axis, so we can see clearly that 5 participants were 13 years while only 1 was 14 years. That's a way of visualizing your demographic data in NVivo using regular charts. Let me interrupt this video for a minute and inform you of